these two have the same profile, except this one has the holes in it. The idea here was the holes on this side have a nice generous radius going in, and the holes from this side have this lip so that air has a little harder time getting this direction than it does this direction. The idea was to reduce the pressure on this face and keep the pressure on this face to help it turn around. So anyhow, I'm just gonna stop this one and this one. Well, that was stopped. So there's a little bit of wind. We'll see how the starting characteristics are. You can see it takes a little bit to get going. Okay, so obviously this one started faster than that one. So I don't think the holes did anything to the torque really, or starting torque. And this one is already getting some light on the LEDs and that one isn't. So anyhow, I'd say that adding the holes really didn't help. There's a chance that this generator is a little different from this generator, so I'm going to swap these two and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so I'm just changing the turbine and just see how they do, see if there's any difference based on the turbine instead of the profile. But it doesn't look like the holes were a real winner in this case. Yeah, and this one is starting to light up faster than this one, so I'd say that was a fail, but it was an idea. Right now I've got, this is the one with the medium size inscribed circle, and this is the larger one. Just out of curiosity, how do they compare? If we stop them about at the same. I might have had this just at a different position. Anyhow, I don't know if anybody else wants to experiment with holes and stuff in the turbine and so on, but I'm not going to pursue this idea any farther. It doesn't seem to be a winner. Okay, here's the head-to-head comparison between the Torque turbine and the 0.2 flat-bladed turbine. And looking at the LEDs here, it looks like the Torque turbine is a little brighter. It's kind of hard to tell right now because the wind is so light, but just a little bit it was blowing, and this was noticeably brighter than that one. So I suspect that this does a bit better. Okay, now the wind's blowing a little bit more. I can tell, but this one here is brighter than that one. So I'd say that the Torque turbine is still the winner here. But for being flat blades that are easy to manufacture, this isn't too bad. Just depends on what your priority is.